Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You will start by verifying compatibility and getting the essentials ready. First, check the TV is an Android TV or supports the remote protocol, and make sure it's on the same Wi-Fi as your phone. Once done, install the official Android TV remote app or open the built-in remote feature on Android 8 and above. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone so pairing and discovery work. This reduces connection failures and speeds the next steps. Now you'll pair and configure the remote. Open the app and let it scan. You should see the TV's name, tap it to start pairing. When the TV displays a numeric code, enter it on your phone or confirm it because that secures the link. After pairing, make sure to allow required permissions so voice and text input work smoothly. Finally, choose your default control mode, like D-pad or touchpad, and map media buttons for play, pause, and volume to streamline daily use. Finish by testing every control. Navigate menus, launch apps, try voice search, and play a video. If inputs lag, reboot phone and TV. Simple restarts clear temporary glitches. When pairing repeatedly fails, restart the router, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then wait 30 seconds before retrying, because address conflicts often resolve themselves. If the TV responds unpredictably due to HDMI CEC, either disable CEC or adjust priority settings. Finally, keep the TV firmware and remote app updated to prevent compatibility issues and enjoy a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.